morning. My name is Mark Krikorian. I'm Executive Director of the Center for Immigration Studies. And the panel today is about an issue that's been a lot in the news, the issue of screening people who are coming to the United States. Now, the refugee issue is specifically where there's been a lot of the discussion recently on screening of prospective refugees, but obviously this applies not just to refugees, but people applying for any kind of what they call immigration benefits, coming here for green cards, coming here for some kind of non-immigrant visa, student visas, work visas, all kinds of things. So this basic issue of how do we use the immigration system as a kind of filter to protect the country is pretty important. I mean, it's one of the most important aspects of immigration policy. There's other parts of it that are very important, but this filtering or screening or vetting function is pretty central to a well-run immigration system. And we have several people who are going to be talking on related issues today. Our star speaker, as it were, is Don Cressetti, who was the architect and the former chief of USCIS's Fraud Detection and National Security Directorate, which, as you can tell from the name, is pretty important. He retired several years ago after 36 years of public service related to administering and enforcing immigration laws, and is an important voice in understanding how this sort of thing actually works. We have a video interview of him talking about some of these related issues, and he's going to talk some more today about it. David North, a Center Fellow, has written a lot about the, I call it the plumbing of the immigration system, how it actually works, not the abstract theories of it or the impacts on the economy or other things, all of which are important, but how the actual system actually works and is administered. And then Jessica Vaughn, our Director of Policy Studies, will be our last but not least presenter. And I may have to jump out at some point for a radio interview, but I'm just really here for show anyway, so you won't be losing anything when that happens.